notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So yeah, guys, today we're going to actually talk about USDT, NAS100, and whatever that we've been speaking about, which is our most important thing was Dogecoin and Bitcoin as well today. So like I said, guys, that day that I'm actually like trading a funded account, and I'm actually like running like uh, I think I've already made like 11,000 profit. So this was like 100,000 US dollar account. So that definitely means I've actually passed the account. So make sure that, guys, you trade with Exo Markets, one of the elite broker at the moment, guys. You put most of your focus on it. I believe that you're gonna see something different. You understand? So let me jumping into the chart and see what is it that I see on the chart. So when you come here, guys, you can see, one of the most important thing in the market is just the structure of the market. This is just a creation of where the market is doing certain things that it will do it again and again and again. And with the reputation of understanding, then it gives you a quite good format. If you can see this, the market was just moving like this. You understand? Was just moving like this. So if I can take these things going forward, I'll just understand this is just the format of the market going furthermore to the top side. You understand? Whereby the market is actually creating a shape, or we can say in a beautiful words, we can say it's a creation of, if we don't want to say shape, we can just say it's a creation of structure. You understand? This is just the structure of the market, how it's actually creating itself. So when we analyze, we always start from the highest time frame. I analyze from the highest time frame. I don't know how others do it. You understand? So in the past, we understand what is it that ever happened in Bitcoin. Yo, bro, like Bitcoin been in one of the good marketplace ever. you know I believe that with this I could have like made or sustained a lot of capital, but I was very, very too late. This is not a financial advice. This is just for past experience, and me explaining this, it could have made a difference. But I believe that money goes to where the money belongs. So what I'm actually meaning is where there's a more money, that's where the money goes. Because someone that invests on Bitcoin when it was on 50,000 with 1 billion, bro, could have made like a lot of cash than someone that could have put like 50 to, just to maintain some cash. Understand? So those are the things that we actually focus on. And with belief, man, it's just a matter of the structure of the market. So when we trade, guys, most of the time, most of the people, what kills you is you just want to jumping into the chart immediately. Like once you see an entry point, like, no, we don't do it like that. No, not anymore, gang. This time around we do it correctly. We don't do it like the way we used to do it, because that time it used to kill us. You understand? You just want to jump in and buy here, but you don't understand the statistics. You understand? You have to understand those kind of things. Statistics, understand where you're entering. Is it a correct place for you to enter? You understand? So if I were to come here and I put my support here and I jump in and buy, the question is, will it be safe or not? For me, it will be safe. I feel like it will be one of the safest trade I could ever took. Because once I start seeing an SNR, I become more comfortable, and then you can just put your take profit here. You don't need a lot of noise. You need one though. You need a lot of profit. I don't wanna lie to you. You need them, but I don't need a lot of noise. With this movement there, I'm done you know so I'll just target my points here, knowing that wherever I'm gonna get my entry points, I'm gonna get a perfect buying opportunities, and already have manipulated the support. So I know that whenever I decide to buy, then it will be me in this. Understand? This is not a financial advice, guys. This is just for educational purposes, guys. Trading have been a lot of thing into me, and I love trading, guys. So I'm doing this for educational purposes. Neither, guys, I don't do account management or investment, guys. Those ones I don't know where you're getting them, but against losses into. I have my own money to fund my account to trade. I don't need your money. So if you find someone saying he's doing account management, just know it's not me, guys. It's impersonating me. And yeah, you should take further charges. As I've been trying to close some of those platforms, I'm being failing because of not knowing. South Africa is limited. But at the end of the day, guys, let's go on. You see, so with that, I see like a progress with this buy, because I know definitely once I move there, I'm definitely going to milk it. One of my favorite ever in my entire life. Been trading everything, but this is one of my favorite. Understand? When If you want to speak with me, speak about Dogecoin, guys. Speak about Dogecoin. This is one of my favorite. This is where all my money is at the moment. You understand? This is where all my money is. So it seems like there was a quick buy that happened yesterday. You understand? And I didn't see it because if I checked it around 6 year, it means it happened. But the next thing it came back where I saw it. But this is just the longevity, guys. This is where we're not playing around. We don't hold it for 2 minutes, man. We've been here and we're gonna be here. That's one of the craziest thing. Me, I'll just tell you something. Come back here. If it wants to see or meet its maker, come back here. This is where I'm gonna become one of the most I think you all of you guys are gonna be afraid of me once I get this trade. Come back there. Then there my kids gonna be rich forever. Just come back there. I don't wanna lie to you guys. Let it come back here. I don't think it will come back. And the way it went there, it was just a mistake, maybe, but come back there, you understand? So this is how I actually get my proper trades, you understand? So with this, when we go to the smallest time frame, you understand this is just your support here. The market has a higher probabilities of reversing here, man. It's we trade. I trade probabilities, the highest probabilities. That's why I mark my trade and I enter trade. You understand? So I don't mind coming at this point and trying to get my trades here. Most of the people might say, why do we have to learn about crypto? Isn't it this the market? This isn't it the chart? This is the chart, man. My strategy works everywhere. Why not? I just enter where it works and I operate. So I don't know where is your strategy working, guys. One of the most important thing about me is where my strategy is working, I'm there. And I don't mind you being wherever you want to be, but I'm there. You understand? So, and one of the most important things, guys, that we need to cover is whatever strategy that you are using should contain and maintain you. I'm so excited, guys. So from this point, I believe that we can push you to the top side. If you don't push, you're gonna come back here. Those are the places that they shouldn't come back here, but it comes back here. Damn, bro, it's going to meet its maker. This will be the first time ever in its entire life meeting its maker. Come back here. It won't come back. Whatever that is going to make it reverse here, it's going to be stronger than ever, I know. So try me. If you want to meet your maker, you do that. You understand? So with this, we're not gonna do that. No, 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 no. So here we know this is a good support. This kind of trades, especially trading this ones, when you enter, just relax. You don't become in a rush. Once you rush them, they're gonna milk you, guys. They're going to milk you. So if you can check, guys, one thing that I like doing is I like creating my current high, man, and then I create my current low. This is my current high, this is my current low. And then I believe that with this, I can go to the past. I could get the structure somewhere, somehow. And once I get the structure, then I understand where exactly am I going. You understand? So it's one of those things. You understand? So I believe that uh, gold still has to drop a bit. You understand? Because there's are zones, man. These are strong. So it has to drop a bit, but I don't know where it's going on, especially when it comes to dropping. I'm not sure. So we're just gonna create a trend line like this, and then we create another one like this. You understand? So and then we're gonna create places whereby the market touches. I want to laugh because there are people that hate trend lines, and I know people with billions or millions using this strategy. So I believe that, hey man, make money first, make a billion, then I will believe that they're not working, maybe. You understand? So this is just our consolidation here. So once you achieve a consolidation, we're just gonna wait for which side will it manipulate, and it's a daily time frame. So let's say it manipulates this side, then we know we're gonna drop. Let's say it manipulates the bottom side, we know we're gonna push to the top side, because even this high here, we need to get it, guys. And once we get here, we will sell, because you see how long did it keep it down. This is the strongest ever. Not ever like in the entire life of trading, but it's also like super strong. So we need to respect certain places like that. So most of the people don't like respecting places and feeling like. So make sure, guys, that you trade with exo markets, guys. One of the elite broker at the moment. I don't know if you know about it, but once you know about it, you'll enjoy trading with it. Understand? So exo markets, guys, yo, it came with 100 welcome bonus. Those are the things that we want to see ourselves inside trading with, those kind of bonuses. So this is how the website really looks, guys. So if you can give your time and then go around the website and see if it meets your criteria. Have 100 welcome bonus. This is how the website looks. When you register, guys, you can just start here and say start trading, and then you register. They do have a ZA account. Before you can accept all the terms and conditions, make sure you read. Always put this puzzle here, guys. You see how easy it is. Imagine failing to put this puzzle. Yo, it's crazy business, crazy business. So yeah, guys, that's how it is, guys. Just wanted to introduce you guys to exo markets if you didn't know about it. So it's those kind of vibe whereby we need to know about trading as well. Most of the people, I know you guys don't know about trading. I know you guys don't know about trading, but I'm here to teach you and be patient with you. You understand? So those are the most important thing in the trading industry, just to make focus with you guys. And I hope and believe most of you guys really, really understand trading, because trading it's one of those things that we need to understand. It's crazy. I can't go back to my chat. Yo, guys, let me do this quick. Let me do this quick. So yeah, guys, I believe in this thing, guys. I don't know if you guys really, really believe in it, but I've been trading for very too long now. I've been trading for very, very too long, and I found trading so interesting because you know if it was there was no trading, there was nothing that I could have been making at the moment. You understand? So I just find it interesting because it changed my entire life. It's something that really pushed me, guys. I believe if it wasn't trading, maybe I wasn't gonna be here. I don't know. Ngazi, gents. I don't know. I don't know. Understand? So that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. So it seems like we can't go back where we at, guys. Yo, and it's crazy business. Oh, what the? Says we manje. We are back. So we are back. 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 So yeah. So if you can check, guys, from this point here, we have to actually understand that this is where the market is playing around. This is our consolidation, understand? So we're gonna push to H4 and see what is it on H4 we see. So this is kind of like our support, and then this is kind of like our resistance here. Where did we go after? We went here and then we came here. Now we have to get there. So we need to look our proper entry somewhere here, and then we know our take profit is there at the top side. So this is how I actually check how I enter my trades. Where was I and where am I going? So from this point here, I can just check out my buying opportunities, hoping that they can come here, and then put my SL here, and then just enter and hold. Those are one of the most important thing. You enter and hold, understand? And especially where it is, it's kind of like a good reversal at this point here. Yeah. So yeah, from this point, just gonna enter and I'm gonna hold. It has to be somewhere here. Yes. So this is where we're gonna be jumping in our trade, hoping that we're gonna hit our take profit there. So sooner or later we're gonna come back and check. So now we're gonna jump into Nasdaq. Same story, same story. Damn. Hmm. Was this yesterday, bro? Like you just come back here with guys. Where were you? Like this kind of things that we need to be trading, guys. Easiest thing, understand? This is just easy. If you can check, we touched here, and then we touched there the top side, and then we touch here, and then here we touch twice, like twice. So this makes it like at least stronger, and then I mean three times as well, and then we know that we're gonna touch there. Understand? So anyway, here we're just gonna look for proper entry point where we're gonna enter our buys. So especially once it breaks this high, we know that it's super strong. Then we push to the top side. But I don't mind entering where it is here, and then jump in my buy here. Yes, and then I'm gonna put my stop loss below here. And then I see why did I jump in the buy. I need to go to the past, check. Okay, this was just my support here, and then yeah, I'm gonna aim for the market to push furthermore to the top side here, and already it gave me this good bullish to show me that the market, the buys are taking power, they're in charge. So yeah, that's how I actually analyze. This one was so super fast, man. It was easy. You can see how we got it. And then We jump into USDT, we see what is it that is happening. USDT, yeah, we've been waiting for you to sell. Ooh. So this, it's super strong. But I don't like using certain things like this because I don't like selling USDT, man. But this is strong, man. So it depends what is it that is gonna break it, but we're looking forward to selling opportunities here. And then we come back, we say if you come back here, we're gonna sell you. So these are just like plans, these are just like targets, these are just like some things that we're gonna be trading, you know. So we don't focus most on what is going to confuse us. We focus most on what is it that it can happen in the market. You get the point. So yeah, I think so far we have one of the greatest setup ever. All we have to do is just to wait for the right time to enter those directions, you know, because when you trade, you don't usually you don't need to confuse yourself, guys. That's one of the most important thing. When you trade, you just don't need to confuse yourself, because a lot of people, when they come into trading, they just confuse themselves, you understand? So I believe in not confusing myself and making sure everything is ready and everything is just good, understand? Because once you start confusing yourself, that's where we start making a lot of mistake. And once you start making a lot of mistake, ooh, angazi, guys, you know, I don't know, that's where the problem really comes, man. You just don't have to be like making mistakes, man. Make sure whatever you use is the right thing that you use, guys. This was just our morning session, guys. This was very nice. So let's meet again, guys, in other times, guys. Let's hear your questions, guys. Let's hear your questions, guys. Let's hear your questions. Let's hear your questions, guys. Do you have any questions you wanna ask, guys? Sometimes, guys, we won't announce that we are going live, guys. You know, it's just a matter of you guys taking us serious, you know, and having our platform and making sure that you hit that uh link. Ninja, do you use those new candlestick called Ashkin what? You even call it what? Ain't no way I can know that. You need to call it by name. Don't call it what. You need to call it by name. If you call it what, hey, I won't be able to. It's the right thing that you use, guys. This was just our morning session, guys. This was very nice. So let's meet again, guys, in other times, guys. Let's see whatever you use is the right thing that you use, guys. This was just a, and I said, we do need. So guys, make sure you trade with Exo Markets, guys. One of the elite broker at the moment, guys. Yo. They have 100% welcome bonuses. It's crazy, guys. Crazy business. You understand? It's crazy business, you know. It's crazy, guys. You know, if I was you, I was gonna jump in now and register my account and make sure that I'm ready. I'm ready to trade. And yeah, I don't know. But to sabab, nisema sabab, see. Huh? What are you scared of when you're in the babs? What are you scared of when you're in the babs, guys? What are you scared of when you're in the babs? So we're making sure that we're trading, we're making money make sense. There's always a normal, guys, you know. I don't know, guys, but I feel like whatever we're doing, it's probably working. I'm so excited, guys. Let's make sure we trade with Exo Markets, one of the elite broker at the moment, guys. You know, at the moment, guys. Hey, let's hear your comments, guys. Let's hear what you're saying, 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 guys. Can you check Nasdaq? Ninja, how do I get funded by the Profem? The only way you can get funded, the problem is markets don't have also payment. Ooh, let's see if you are correct. Let's go to Exo Markets and check. Exo Markets do have Ozo. When last did you actually enter? Please enter and check. It has Ozo. Uh, Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there, guys. You know, just try to enter and check if do they have Ozo, yes or no. You know, those are the things that you have to check. But Ozo is there. I won't lie to you guys. Ozo is just there and beautiful and Korobona. Everything is just going accordingly. Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there. I'm trying to log in here so that I can be able to show you that Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there. Let me try to log in quick and show you guys Ozo is there. Oh, you thought Ozo is not there? Sorry, my brother. Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there, guys. No, let me go to deposit and then let me show you if Ozo is there or what. Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there, guys. Ozo is there. Oh, okay. I'm putting the numbers in the wrong place. Um, Ozo is there. Ozo is there. Ozo is there. The terminal is just, yeah, you see there is Ozo, guys. I don't know if you are able to see, guys. There's Ozo here. You see on the corner here. There's Ozo there. Ozo is there, guys, in the corner here. You see, this is your Ozo. So everything is there, man. The good thing is when you are there, you can see if things are there or not. Understand? So yeah, Ozo is there. So how fast is the withdrawal? 24 hours, my guy. Uh, sometimes, guys, what matters is the platform. The platform's so sick. So how fast? Thank you for pulling up for us. We really appreciate you, King. No other way, guys. I'm gonna upload a video here, but it's the same video. Let's make sure we watch. Let's make sure we're there. Let's make sure we post it, guys. Um, Twitch. Make sure you follow us on Twitch, guys. Let's make sure that the numbers are growing. Let's make sure everything is just as good as you guys. You understand the vibe, guys. I know you already understand what's really fantastic. What is it that we really want? So yeah, I appreciate your time, guys. Thank you, guys, for being this live. Wait for the breakout above Fed one cut rate, so USD2 will buy. Wait. When you say wait, I don't understand what you say. I don't understand, my guy. No, nobody's the king of the market. The market is the determination. If it breaks, we are inside with the buys. If it sells, we are inside with the sells. So we don't control it. So yeah, guys, thank you, guys, for being here. Really appreciate your time and effort, guys. Let's